Welcome to Informative Entertainment by Larry the Mechanic. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hello?
Hello, what do you want?
Yes, sir, this is Brian. I am calling from a TV service. How are you doing today?
You're calling from my TV service? I'm fine, Brian.
Yes. Sir, actually last night, company changed the main signal, so we are here to update your TV service. Please tell me, how many active TV do you have?
I don't know what you just said, but are you saying you have to upgrade my TV service? Is that what you said? I'll help you along here a little bit. Is that what you said?
Sir, please tell me.
I have two
Sir,
TV.
please tell me.
I have two TVs. What did you?
Okay.
Yeah, fuck tired. What did you say? Did you say you're gonna upgrade my TVs? I didn't understand you. Is that what?
Sir, I'll explain you, but you answer me, okay?
Okay. Well, what are you gonna do? What do you need to know? You said you're from my TV service, so what do you need to know?
Sir, listen to me, try to understand.
Well, you're an arrogant little bitch,
Sir,
aren't you?
grab your TV.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
Sir, grab your TV remote control in your hand.
Which one? I got two TVs.
Okay. Sir, grab your TV remote control in your hand.
Which one? I have two TVs.
Sir, I am understand. I am saying you grab your TV remote control.
Which one? I have two TVs. They're different. I've got a TV in the living room, one in the bedroom. They're both different TVs, different manufacturers. What do you want?
Okay. Sir?
What?
What TV is this service?
What?
Sir, what is your TV's name logo? Or company logo?
Both of them? I have a Samsung.
Grab your TV.
I have a... Listen, fucktard.
Okay.
I have a Samsung and a Vizio. Which one do you want the remote for?
Okay. Sir, let me transfer your call to my supervisor. He will complete this process for you.
My God.
Okay?
Yeah, one more idiot to talk to. Okay, transfer away.
Hello.
Hello. Who's this?
Sir, my name is Jason. I am floor supervisor. Your call is transferred to me. How are you doing today?
Well, Jason, I'm doing pretty good. He said something about grabbing a TV remote, and I need to know which TV remote because I have two different TVs.
Okay, sir. Do you have Samsung and Verizon?
What? I have a Samsung TV and I have a Vizio TV.
You have Vizio TV and Verizon. Oh, Samsung TV. Okay, don't need to be very sir. Don't grab anything. Sir, I can see in my system, sir, every month you pay your TV bill on the time, right?
All the time I pay. Yeah, I pay ahead of time.
Yes, sir, every month you pay your bill on the time. So company is giving you $40 discount.
All right, yeah, okay.
Congratulations.
Yeah, I pay.
Your TV.
I paid 3 months ahead. I paid 3 months ahead. I don't owe anything for 3 months.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And every month, sir, you pay your bill by using your checkbook, right?
Oh, I used the checkbook. Yeah, that's right. I used the checkbook.
Yes, sir. So grab your checkbook in your hand. So we are giving you $40 discount.
Oh,
and
what?
Complete the process of a
Why don't you apply it to my account? Wouldn't that be easier? Wouldn't that be less work? Just apply it to the account.
Yes, we are applying the discount in your checking account. So grab your checkbook in your hand. So we are giving you $40 discount and finish this update for you.
Okay, I got it right here. Do you have my name? Do you even know who I am or no?
I have each and everything, sir.
Okay.
You guys get check me, let me know when you have it, then I will give you.
I have it right here. And what's the name of what's the name of my TV service? I can't remember. I just changed not too long ago.
Sir, what did you say?
What is my TV service name? Who are you guys? I mean, what company you work for?
Sir, I am working for AT&T and Xfinity. We have 3 companies.
Xfinity, you said? Did you say Xfinity?
Xfinity and AT&T and Comcast.
Oh, I got the Xfinity. You work for them?
Yes, sir. Sir, so grab your checkbook in your hand.
It's right here. I got it. I had it the whole time. Yeah, right here. I mean, I was playing with my dick, and then I rubbed on all the pages, and it smooshed the numbers a little bit, but it should be readable.
Okay, if you look on your...
Okay, ready?
Okay,
What do you want to know?
if you look on your check, sir...
Yeah, I'm looking at
You can see... You look on your check, sir, you can see these are
the what?
3 groups of...
Your break. What did you want to know?
Read the first group of numbers.
You're broken up. Let's say that one more time. Oh,
Sir, are you...
you use a different headset. You're coming in all broken up. I can hardly understand you. What do you want me to do with my checkbook? You there? Hello?
Subscribe his motherfucking channel because he is an asshole.